Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed Rules. In this session, we will study the next 12 syllables from here to there. Page number 11, Al-Qaida Nuraniya. So this slide is just a reminder for transliteration purposes. The first syllable is fa, about fa. Fa fathatain fan, and remember the rule is when there's a fathatain on a letter there is always alif, but that is silent. So this alif is silent. Fa fathatain fan, fa fathatain fan, fa kasratain fin, fa kasratain fin, fa dhammatain fun, fa dhammatain fun, fan, fin, fun, fan, fin, fun. Just a recap, the fathatain sign it adds an sound to fa, and kasratain in sign in sound to fa, and dhammatain on sound to fa. Okay, that's the purpose of these tanween. The next three syllables are, this is tha fathatain than, and alif is silent. Tha fathatain than, tha fathatain than, tha kasratain thin, tha kasratain thin, tha dhammatain thun, tha dhammatain thun, than, thin, thun, than, thin, thun. The next one is, so here dhal fathatain then, in this case instead of alif we use ya as alif maqsura, ya as alif maqsura, so this is silent again. Dhal fathatain then, dhal fathatain then, dhal fathatain then, dhal kasratain then, dhal kasratain then, dhal dhammatain dhun, dhal dhammatain dhun, then, dhin, dhun, then, dhin, dhun. The next one is dha, and the alif next to it is silent. Dha fathatain dhan, dha fathatain dhan, dha kasratain dhin, dha kasratain dhin, dha dhammatain dhun, dha dhammatain dhun, dhun, dhin, dhun, dhun, dhin, dhun. So next 3 or 4 slides would be sounds only without spellings. Fan, fin, fun, fan, fin, fun, fan, fin, thun, fan, fin, thun, then, dhin, dhun, then, dhin, dhun, dhun, dhin, dhun, dhun, dhin, dhun. So that's the end of this session. In next session we will practice those 12 syllables without explanation, just to give you enough practice. We will practice it 10 times. We will see you in next session inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.